I've used compositing to enhance the temporal stability of an animation after denoising. This animation sequence compares the results side by side. If the improvement seems worthwhile to you, I've included a link to a Blender file with the compositing nodes set up in the video description. 5 consecutive frames are used, along with a median filter. The proposed technique requires the frames to be rendered with motion vector output. This video was rendered using 256 samples. The render time is 25 seconds per frame on my NVIDIA 4070 card. I try to render my videos overnight, which is why I don't use more than 256 samples. I haven't yet succeeded in using a free real-time temporal denoiser. If you've achieved better results, I'd love to hear from you.